Greetings, health enthusiast. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving deep into the world of the health benefits of apple cider vinegar. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, so you can stay updated with our latest insights. Did you know that apple cider vinegar is not just a condiment? Its antibacterial properties may help reduce inflammation and balance the skin's pH. But also a powerhouse of health benefits? Today, we're going to explore the incredible health benefits of apple cider vinegar and uncover whether they are fact or fiction. 1. Weight loss. Many people claim that apple cider vinegar can aid in weight loss. Studies have shown that it may help to suppress appetite, increase metabolism, and reduce fat storage. However, it's important to note that apple cider vinegar alone is not a magic solution for weight loss. 2. Improved digestion. Apple cider vinegar has been known to promote healthy digestion by increasing stomach acid production. This can aid in the breakdown of food and nutrient absorption, leading to improved overall gut health. 3. Blood sugar control. Some studies suggest that apple cider vinegar can help regulate blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for people with diabetes or insulin resistance. However, more research is needed to fully understand its impact on blood sugar control. 4. Detoxification. Apple cider vinegar is believed to support the body's natural detoxification process by assisting the liver in eliminating toxins. However, it's important to remember that the body has its natural detoxification systems in place and that apple cider vinegar should be consumed in moderation. Benefit 5. Skin health. Some people use apple cider vinegar topically to improve skin conditions like acne, eczema, and even dandruff. However, it's crucial to dilute apple cider vinegar before applying it directly to the skin. In conclusion, while apple cider vinegar does have numerous potential health benefits, it's essential to approach it with caution and maintain a balanced diet and lifestyle. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making any drastic changes to your health routine. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this content valuable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe. Your support means the world to us. Stay tuned for our next adventure together.